Stop struggling to create digital products from scratch. If you want to tap into the $20 billion self-help industry and start keeping 100% of the profits without writing a single word, you need to pay close attention to this video. Welcome back to App Verdict. Today we are looking at your second chance PLR. My quick verdict? This is a complete business in a box. It gives you everything you need to sell a high-quality product, instantly position yourself as an expert, and build a profitable buyer list starting today. Your Second Chance PLR is a comprehensive 10-module package created by industry experts Shaun and Callie Lee. The product focuses on a highly in-demand topic: how to reinvent yourself and start fresh. This package is perfect for affiliate marketers, coaches, and beginners who do not have their own product or the time to make one. The biggest roadblock to making money online is the painful process of creating content, writing sales pages, and designing graphics. This product solves that completely. You simply download the files, put your name on it, and start selling. Make sure you watch until the end because I have put together an exclusive bonus package worth thousands of dollars just for App Verdict viewers. You can click the link in the description at any time to secure your copy and my custom bonuses. Let us look at exactly what you get inside the package. When you download your Second Chance PLR, you are not just getting a basic text file. You get Module 1, which is the premium quality ebook with stunning chapter graphics. Modules 2 and 3 give you complete checklists and mind maps. These are perfect to offer as value add-ons or quick reference guides for your buyers. Module 4 is your high-converting sales page. You do not need to write copy. You literally just upload this to your hosting. Module 5 is a ready-to-go video sales letter. To help you build your email list, Module 6 gives you an exclusive lead magnet, and Module 7 provides the professional landing page to capture emails. You even get a full follow-up email series in Module 8 to automate your sales. Finally, you get professional graphics and the license certificates proving you have full rights to sell this as your own.
You don't have to destroy your life to rebuild it. You just have to rebuild the parts that no longer fit. Do you ever feel trapped in a life that no longer fits, but fear making changes might mean losing everything you've worked for? Have you watched others successfully pivot their careers, relationships, or identities while maintaining stability and wondered how they navigated such profound transitions without chaos? Are you ready to discover how to reinvent yourself authentically and purposefully without the destructive burn-it-all-down approach that leaves you starting from zero? You're not alone. In a world that celebrates dramatic, drop-everything transformations, most people miss the art of strategic reinvention and risk either staying stuck or making impulsive changes that destroy valuable foundations. The key to sustainable transformation: embracing your second chance. This isn't about rash decisions or complete life overhauls. It's about identifying your core values, leveraging existing strengths, and making deliberate adjustments that honor your past while creating space for your future self. It's a proven system that transforms the daunting prospect of change into an achievable evolution. Yet too many people remain paralyzed between dissatisfaction and fear, never realizing they're just one framework away from reinventing themselves without sacrificing stability. Here's the transformative truth: anyone can successfully reinvent themselves with the right approach. Drawing on transition psychology, identity research, and real-world reinvention success stories, this guide shows you exactly how to assess what to keep, what to modify, and what to release. It's designed for those ready to replace uncertainty with strategic action and build their second act on the valuable foundation of their first. Today, I'm excited to share these powerful techniques with you. This isn't just another self-help manual. It's your step-by-step blueprint for authentic transformation that preserves what matters while creating space for who you're becoming. These principles go beyond mere personal development. They will also establish the foundation for you to create a 6- or 7-figure business empire concurrently. By enabling others to navigate their own transitions, implement sustainable change, and experience the profound confidence that comes from reinvention without regret. For anyone tired of feeling trapped in outdated circumstances, afraid of making changes, or unsure how to begin again, this ultimate blueprint will be your key to transforming your life thoughtfully and purposefully without burning down what you've already built.
Hi, this is Shaun here, and on behalf of me and my partner Callie, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR. And this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission, that is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10x your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the $20 billion opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So, what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to a whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality content in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is, I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive high-quality content so you can dominate the self-help niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you with a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new, 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits.
Introducing your second chance with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the biggest topics in self-help. This PLR blueprint is perfect for those who want to change direction without detonating their finances, relationships, or reputation, and still end up with a life that fits who they are now. This transformational blueprint covers everything you need to know about reinventing yourself through small, deliberate moves, understanding why staying stuck is often the bigger risk, using brain science to break motivation-killing loops, adopting an iterative mindset, protecting your identity from collapse, building a practical pivot plan that actually works in the real world, and much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to self-help guide for those who are 100% committed to transforming their dreams of a dramatic escape into a thoughtful transition, allowing them to grow into individuals who evolve without causing disruption.
One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for. All with full unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, put your name as the author, do a giveaway for your list, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product, and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I have worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package.
That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault, and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive 4,000-word, 7-day challenge to reset your direction without starting from zero. Special report, alongside with done-for-you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you a tremendous amount of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation.
Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you can have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast-action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now, for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So for a very limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel, ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make, that we are going to take all the risk away from you. At this very moment, really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below.
Let your second chance PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.
There are a few optional upgrades to be aware of. The front-end package is available at a massive discount during the early bird launch. After you purchase the main package, you'll see an upsell for a pro upgrade that includes video modules and mega bonuses. There's also an option for a done-for-you sales funnel system. You do not need these upgrades to start making money, but if you hate dealing with technical setups, the done-for-you funnel upgrade is a massive time saver that will get you to market much faster. To make this an absolute no-brainer, if you pick up your second chance PLR through the first link in my description, you'll get these 10 exclusive app verdict bonuses for free. I have hand-picked these tools to help you get traffic, capture leads, and make more sales. Bonus 1. Soci Buzz Webinar. This plugin drives massive viral social traffic to your new sales page for free. Bonus 2. Lead Book Generator. A tool to easily integrate your leads with your autoresponder to build your buyer list automatically. Bonus 3. WP Email Timer Plus. Adds countdown timers to your pages and emails to force visitors to take action and buy. Bonus 4. Video Hub. Software to start your own video subscription platform so you can charge monthly for your new content. Bonus 5. Auto Content Machine. Automatically pulls fresh, relevant content from the web to keep your blogs active and ranking. Bonus 6. Article Analyzer. Optimizes your content to get you free search engine traffic so you don't have to pay for ads. Bonus 7. Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A premium video course teaching you exactly how to scale your new affiliate business. Bonus 8. Surefire Profit System. An automation guide to setting up your new product for hands-free passive income. Bonus 9. WP Checkout Maximizer, a tool designed to increase your checkout conversion so you make more money from the exact same amount of traffic. Bonus 10, Digital Lockdown Software, protects your new digital product from thieves so your profits stay in your pocket. To wrap this up, your second chance PLR is the fastest way to launch your own product and keep all the profits. But you need to act fast. The super early bird price is expiring very soon. Plus, my custom bonus package is strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are filled, my bonus page will automatically expire, and you'll miss out on these traffic and conversion tools. Don't wait. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your super early bird discount and claim all 10 of your exclusive bonuses. If you found this app verdict review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point reviews. Your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside the Warrior Plus receipt area. See you in the next video.